for the sunny side of things with the local joker, Petey Mac.
What's going on, everybody? It's the local joker, Petey Mac, and this is his last hurrah, the local joker's last hurrah, man. I'm gonna miss y'all for when I go in the United States Navy and everything, but it has to be done. Money has to be made, and benefits has to be gotten.
I know that's right.
The first thing I'm gonna talk about the last hurrah, this Trayvon Martin murder case, George Zimmerman, like the way his lawyer started it with a knock-knock joke.
Bad.
And that was something. Had our lawyer just be honest. If we were on trial for an reverse situation, had a man of color's lawyer started with that, they would have gave us the death penalty. Knock. Who's there? Lethal injection. Go on to the table. Who starts a murder trial with a knock? That's not even. It wasn't funny. It was just like, oh, that's bad taste. That's bad timing. And this is what I want to know. I didn't know until I heard about that there were no people of color on the jury. Talking about that's a jury for his peers. Well, supposedly he's supposed to be a Latin man. Now, I'm not trying to be stereotypical, and you know that's always when something racist or stereotypical when somebody coded like that.
Intro.
But Zimmerman is not a Latin name. I've never heard of a Latin person named Zimmerman. I'm just being honest. That's just my thoughts on the situation. You know, and the sad thing is they have all of this information against the guy, all this evidence. You know, the dispatcher telling him not to approach him, the boy being unarmed. You know, even the guy who was over the area for the cell phone company saying with the calls, and this guy still goes to trial a year and a half later. Now, you know, had that been us,
right.
This is how it would have been for us. We got arrested Sunday. Monday, they'd been getting indicted and getting picked in the jury. Tuesday, they'd been opening arguments. Wednesday, they'd been closing arguments. Thursday, they'd had a verdict, which would have been guilty. Friday, we got sentenced. Saturday, we got sent to the penitentiary.
Just like that.
Just like that. Because, you know, I'm going to tell everybody know, for people who are Caucasian persuasion, when they reach out your Miranda rights, it's different. When they read your Miranda rights, and if there's some black people out there, so if you know the lyrics to the Miranda rights, feel free to sing along.
Right, the lyrics.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you free of charge. Do you understand these rights if I read to you? That's what they mean when they say to you Caucasian people. This is the underlying meaning when they say to us, we've caught you, so shut the hell up. You better get a lawyer. Cause if you can't afford no, boy, we gonna pick the worst lawyer we can for you. Now, do you understand what we just told you, boy? That's what they mean when they say it to us. And some other things have been going on, like y'all heard about the Voter Registration Act, the thing about the reversing Section 5 of the Voter Registration Act of 1965. You know what I'm saying? And Clarence Thomas came out of left field and said he felt that affirmative action was like a modern day slavery. So helping a disenfranchised group of people get up and try to get on the same level as people who have everything going for them for the past 400 years, that's a form of slavery to you. This is what I want Clarence Thomas to do. Y'all remember I got the hook up when the white guy took the black mask off his face?
Right.
I just want a little brother to come out and mask the white guy. And he just take the mask off his face. Because he just been screwing up for all these years.
That's funny.
And I also heard the craziest thing on the radio when I was making a delivery the other day for my job. They said a little 2-year-old boy won the right to go to the girl's bathroom because he's transgender.
Right.
He said because he identified, yeah, you're looking crazy, Theo, but he said he identifies as himself as a woman. And he can now they grant him the opportunity to go to the girl's bathroom, which makes me mad. Because you mean to tell me when I was a little boy, all I had to do was say, hey, I identify myself as a woman. I could have been in the girl's bathroom being managed. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I'm not mad at the little boy because he's transgender. I'm jealous because that's all I had to do. Say, well, you know, I identify myself as a little girl. I'm just saying, I feel feminine when I wake up in the morning. I'm just going to say this. We talk about this. Don't feel bad because I'm coming out. I'm a lesbian. I've been one since birth. I don't feel like hiding it no more. I've loved women since the day I was born. I almost didn't come out my mama because I love women so much. I came out poking around. You know it ain't nothing going on out here. I'm going back on the inside. I don't even want to come out here. There ain't nothing going on. I don't know who them two ugly dudes here that look like me. That must be my brothers. I don't even like them. And my that's my sister. I'm going back. I don't want to come out no more. It's just crazy. And I want to say this to women. I'm gonna get a little risque, but I'm not gonna go overboard. Ladies, if you know it's my grandma saying your monthly, don't invite us over after 11 o'clock. That's not, it's my grandma say the only thing open is legs in the hospital. If you know ain't nothing going, don't invite me over. But it's not the fact that it's your monthly problem, it's the innuendos you have for it being your monthly. Just say it's your monthly. Don't be putting, hey, my Aunt Ann is in town. Who the hell is your Aunt Ann? Who is she? And you know, I'm kind of freaky. I might know, you know, your Aunt Ann can get down with some of this loving if she want it. I remember I went over one girl's house, and she told me when we was doing things that grown people supposed to do, you know, we old, we grown. She told me, she stayed by herself, but she said, oh, we not alone. Now, two things happened. The first thing that happened, I was like, we not alone, you tell your girlfriend to come on out and, you know, we can make it poppin'. Or the other thing was, wait a minute now, you said you lived alone. Who the hell else you got? You got somebody in your brain I need to know about? You schizo? Just be honest and say what you got to say. Say what's on your mind. It's a lot of things that's going on, man. Y'all pray for me, man. Y'all pray that this don't carry on over me to boot camp, cause I can't have this happen in boot camp. I can't end up like on Full Metal Jacket. They hold me down and everybody hit me with socks. I mean with rope. I mean soap in a sock. That just can't happen to me, man. But this has been what I consider my last hurrah. I'm gonna get some people in here. From now on, I got 2 candidates that's gonna take over. Y'all, I've loved every moment of being on this show and talking and acting stupid with all y'all. I appreciate Theo, your spiritual solution, as well as you helped me with some tomfoolery. This guy is, it's some stuff Theo that said like, oh my Lord. Victory, I appreciate your rap. You got positive rap, brother. I am not just Alpha Man as a black man, just you keep doing your thing. We need some more of that. J Spice, you just love you, baby.
Aww.
Just love you. That's a beautiful black woman there, and I love all the audience members who have listened over the years. I appreciate Jarvis. Even though he almost yoked me up after the first show we had, I said, I didn't know. He stood up and said, hey man, I ain't appreciate what you. I'm like, hey, let me tell you something. He stood up and said, you know what, I was wrong. I don't even, you know what, I apologize to you. That's my fault. I don't even, you know what, you don't even do that. That's my, I need to learn about you and your dislikes and your beliefs. But hey man, I've just been, y'all, if y'all want to keep up with me, man, my Twitter is PettyMac89, PETYMAC 89. It's the same as my Instagram. This has been a hell of a half a year or 8 months, however long it's been. I'ma miss y'all, and whenever I get a chance, if y'all still rocking and rolling, I will be listening and calling in.
No doubt.
Y'all take it easy, man.